Plant FAQs, Delphinium consolida. Delphinium consolida, a gardener's guide to the rocket larkspur. The world of flowers can be a confusing one, especially when there are plants with seemingly interchangeable names. Delphinium consolida, often called rocket larkspur, is a prime example. This vibrant annual has captured the hearts of gardeners for generations. But a question often pops up. Are consolida and delphinium the same? Are consolida and delphinium the same? This is a question that has botanists scratching their heads. Traditionally, Delphinium was a large genus encompassing Delphinium consolida. However, recent genetic studies have revealed that Consolida is actually a distinct genus within the buttercup family, closely related to Delphinium. For gardeners like ourselves, the distinction might seem like a technicality. In practice, most nurseries and seed packets still use the name Delphinium consolida. So, for the sake of clarity, we'll use both terms throughout this article. What is Delphinium consolida? Delphinium consolida, also known as rocket larkspur or field larkspur, is a captivating annual that brings a touch of elegance to any garden. It boasts tall, slender stems adorned with airy clusters of star-shaped flowers. The blooms come in a delightful array of colors, from classic blue and purple to vibrant pink and white. This easy-to-grow flower is a favorite among pollinators, attracting hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees with its sweet nectar. Standing at a height of 1 to 3 feet, Delphinium consolida makes a stunning addition to borders, cottage gardens, and even containers. How to grow Delphinium consolida? The beauty of Delphinium consolida lies not just in its appearance, but also in its ease of cultivation. Here's how you can bring these delightful flowers to your own garden. Planting. Delphinium consolida thrives in cool weather. You can either sow seeds directly outdoors in early spring, after the danger of frost has passed, or start them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. For indoor sowing, use a well-draining seed-starting mix and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Light. These flowers prefer full sun to partial shade. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. Delphinium consolida prefers well-draining, fertile soil. Amending your planting bed with compost or aged manure can provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Watering. Water your Delphinium consolida regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Deadheading. To encourage continuous blooming, deadhead spent flowers by pinching them off just below the faded blooms. This will prevent seed production and signal the plant to produce more flowers. How to care for Delphinium consolida. Once established, Delphinium consolida requires minimal maintenance. Here are a few additional tips to ensure your flowers thrive. Staking. Taller varieties of Delphinium consolida may benefit from staking, especially in windy locations. Stakes will help prevent the flower stems from bending or breaking. Feeding. A light feeding with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season can promote healthy growth and abundant blooms. Winter care. Delphinium consolida is an annual, meaning it completes its life cycle in one season. Once the flowers have faded and frost arrives, you can simply remove the spent plants and prepare your bed for next year's sowing. What to plant with Delphinium consolida? Delphinium consolida pairs beautifully with a variety of other flowering plants. Here are a few suggestions. Cosmos. These cheerful, daisy-like flowers add a touch of whimsy and come in a wide range of colors that complement Delphinium consolida. Yarrow. The feathery foliage of yarrow creates a lovely contrast with the tall spires of Delphinium consolida. Additionally, yarrow attracts beneficial insects that can help deter pests. Roses. Delphinium consolida adds a touch of vertical interest and a burst of color to rose gardens. Choose varieties with complementary colors for a truly stunning display. With its easygoing nature and vibrant blooms, Delphinium consolida is a rewarding addition to any garden. So, the next time you're looking for a low-maintenance flower that delivers big on beauty, consider planting this delightful annual.